Alright guys, when you're doing an oil change, finish your oil change, what you're going to do is reset your oil life percentage. Alright, first thing when you do is, still in park, and you don't want to press any gas pedal either, not the gas pedal, the brake pedal, just leave it alone, and you want to do a safety mode on your car. There you go, everything comes up, light up, and that's what you're going to do. And that's the first step. Put your car into accessory mode. As you can see right there, oil life is actually 30%. I thought it was 10. It's actually 30% right now. So we just changed the oil. We just want it back. We want to put it to 100%. All right, as you can see right here, there's like a selection needle. You want to press it down and just hold it. Like 5 seconds possibly. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Until it blink. There you go, blinking. Now just let it go. As you can see, it's still blinking. So you lift with your hand already, and now you want to do is press it again until actually it reset. There you go, perfect. Alright guys, once you reset the oil, basically, like put an accessory, and then you press the selected button, like hold on to it, and it blink. Once it blink, you let it go, and then you press it again, hold it again with like within 10 seconds. It switched from the like 30% or whatever percent it was to 100%. That's how it's completely take it out. Then next step you want to do is just start your car up, and we can go for a test drive. Thank you guys for watching Tech Time with T. That's how to change 2015 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Basic, easy. What did you want to know? If you want me to show you anything else, just comment below. And anything you want me to show you, or any question, recommendation. Also, you can donate as well. There's a button there, alright, to help me out. And that's all I can tell you. And good luck. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. And also, thank you for your viewing and support very much. And you have a great day. Take care. Peace.